Hello everyone, I am Shikha Duggal from Oriflame India. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. In this new year catalogue, from fabulous fashion accessories to winter fragrances and other beauty essentials, you will find it all here. So keep watching this video. It is extremely important to keep your skin well hydrated because well hydrated skin glows from within, as it flushes out the toxins and carries the nutrients to the skin cells. In order to keep your skin hydrated, we recommend Optimal's Hydra. This skincare range comes in skin quenching formulas and contains Swedish natural ingredient blends. In this New Year catalogue, there comes a dream deal on Optimal's Hydra Refreshing Toner and Optimal's Hydra Radiance Hydrating Day Cream. While the toner helps to remove all traces of impurities, makeup and dead skin cells, Hydrating Day Cream leaves your skin soft, supple and refreshed. When it comes to fighting multiple signs of aging, Optimal's Age Revive's effective formulas with Swedish natural ingredient blends and anti-pollution active is the best solution. Optimal's Age Revive Anti-Aging Day Cream SPF 15 and Anti-Aging Toner are available on a dream deal during this month. Long-lasting, high-coverage The One Longwear Nail Polish. The Longwear Nail Polish is infused with expert gel technology which provides even coverage and is chip and fade resistant. Not just this, give your nails a perfect shape with durable crystal nail file made from acrylic. Get that perfect look with The One Express Peach Perfector. This tinted moisturizer with peach extract helps keep the skin supple and conditioned for a fresh and natural look. It contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps to maintain that perfect skin glow. Natural oat extract is renowned for helping dry skin to feel calm, soft and soothed, while aloe vera is known for its moisturizing, hydrating and emollient properties. So based on what your skin need is, choose from the Love Nature cleansers. Stress, lack of sleep and pollution can take a toll on your skin, leaving you with enlarged pores, fine lines and dull complexion. So perfect your skin and hide the effects of busy lifestyle with Novage Pore and Line Perfector. Come, let's learn more about it. Novage Pore and Line Perfector instantly helps minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines, giving you younger looking flawless skin in seconds with specially developed opt blurring technology. This unique formula glides effortlessly onto the skin to create a smooth, silky and a perfect matte finish. Indulge lips in rich creamy color with this luxurious satin finish lipstick infused with argan oil for lasting comfort and superior pigments for color intensity. SPF 15 to protect lips against premature aging caused by the sun. This eternal fragrance belongs to the floral woody family with notes of jasmine petals, mandarin and sandalwood. This timeless Giordani Gold Man golden fragrance comes with notes of bergamot, black pepper and woody vetiver. I'm sure you must be waiting to know about the product which is at the best price of year in this catalog. So now your wait is over. Come take a look at it. This floral Mugget white flower fragrance is bursting with the joy of a fresh spring morning. Aromatic blackcurrant buds, linden blossom and amberette seeds leads a trail of quiet harmony. Discover the alluring excitement of a romantic encounter with this oriental vanillic fruity fragrance. Tempting tender apricot with a captivating heart of white rose and sweet praline will sweep you off your feet and leave you wanting more. The blissful relaxation of a sunny tropical beach is captured perfectly in this dreamy floral watery fragrance. Comes in delicate ocean scent of cascalon and the indulgent warm embrace of fresh coconut milk. Bring instant Parisian glamour and sparkle to your sophisticated look with the rose gold toned stunner. For a great and impactful look, go for all three. Stunning Paris earrings with the matching bracelet and necklace. To achieve the very desirable go-to work look, we also bring to you 5 must-have products in this January catalog. Our scientists have selected some of the most effective botanical ingredients known in Sweden in order to create tailored skincare solutions for different skin needs. It's time for me to reveal the new Optimal's Radiance Boosting Mask. Optimal's Radiance Boosting Face Mask is a radiance enhancing gel mask. This mask is infused with vitamin C and Swedish natural ingredient blends. It works effectively to instantly refresh and hydrate tired and dull looking skin, leaving it revitalized, softer and more radiant. It's the season to sparkle. This sparkler is embellished with turquoise glass stone and a big black stone in the center which is surrounded by 28 sparklers. So while you shine with these Tokyo earrings, do take a note of 6 must-have products from Oriflame which will help you look and feel great. This classic scarf and belt complements everything in his closet. Both the accessories are just perfect for adding an element of style to any outfit. Well, there's more coming your way in the ending section of this catalog, wherein you will find products for everyone and at a great price. So just flip through the pages. On this spread, buy any product at just ₹999. This crisp and invigorating scent of Glacier EDT is perfect for sporty and free-spirited men. To experience the top notes of sweet almond, cherry blossom and cedar wood, Women's Collection Delicate Cherry Blossom EDT is perfect. Your favorite lip sensation matte mousse is available at ₹599. Light as air, this liquid lipstick comes with a smooth velvety finish in 7 stunning full coverage shades. The One Lip Sensation Matte Mousse is infused with comforting and conditioning ingredients so that your lips stay quenched. Now pick any at ₹399 from this spread. The 5-in-1 Wonderlash Waterproof Mascara defines, lengthens, separates and volumizes the lashes, while the One Eyes Wide Open Mascara comes with innovative brush which lifts and curls every lash from root to tip, opening the appearance of eyes by 30%. The One Wonder Liner with 2-in-1 felt tip applicator delivers thick and thin lines with ease. It is important to protect the delicate intimate area from dryness or discomfort. Now you can choose from our range of intimate washes: Feminine Mild Intimate Wash and Feminine Protecting Intimate Wash. The One 5-in-1 Color Stylist Lipstick is a multi-benefit lipstick with rich lasting color intensity and luminous finish. Anything on this spread is at Rs 199. Now it's time to grab all your favorite products, from Essentials Fairness range of products to Tender Care Protecting Balm. This is it for now. Wish you all a very happy new year from all of us at Oriflame. May you have a great and beautiful year ahead. Thank you so much.